Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I will talk about how to sell your products and how to make money online by simple easy ways. So making money online is not a hard thing, but what you have to do is getting the right guide for it, and once you get the guide you can easily make money for online. So the simple methods: number one simply thing you can do is offer article marketing service to your local business. You can explain to them the benefits of article marketing, such as the traffic it can potentially bring their website, the leads it could generate to them, the SEO benefits of backlink from articles. If you are an article writer, you might be getting anywhere from $1.5, $2, $3 plus 17 plus article online, but most freelancers get about 3 to 7 per hour per article on average. However, when you offer article marketing for offline businesses to promote their business and their website, you can change a lot. I have gotten anywhere from 25 to 50 US dollar per article from offline businesses, and they are the more than happy with the results. Plus, most business will want you to write 10 to 20 per month for them once you explain how article marketing really works. If you can't write an article to save your life, you can always outsource to an online freelancer that produces quality work. Heck, even you paid a freelancer $10 per article, you would still bank a very nice profit. Number two, another method of making money easy in the offline local business world is to offer blog creation service to local business. A blog is a super simple and free to create. You do not have to have any technological knowledge whatsoever. I recommend using the blogger.com, wordpress.com because they are owned by Google. So you know what that it will rank nicely on Google search engine. But I prefer you to have a fresh domain will help you. .com domains will help you to rank top. You can actually log in use your existing Google account, and if you have a Gmail or any other Google account, it's the same username, same password, same Gmail account. You can create a blogger totally free. Make sure you create the domain name of the blog, the name of your client's business. It will come out looking like this: your client business.com, blogspot.com, if you are going free. In case you don't know already, the main purpose of the blog is going to be an additional source of traffic for your client's business. It will also link back to their main website, giving them a valuable backlink which is helpful for SEO. A blog is basically a website that will have more bells and whistles, a targeted traffic, leads, customers, everything. That is why having a blog is important for your client. Also, nowadays people love blogs. They love reading the people or business blogs. Most of major companies and multi-million dollar business have blogs, so why should not your client? This can serve as a great selling point when pitching this business. Number three, you can talk about that offline businesses from offline to MySpace, Facebook page creation services. Every big name businesses nowadays has a MySpace page or a Facebook page, which is a great selling point for their service. Once you explain the benefits of having Facebook networking, building, granted a lot of business might already have or know how to set up, but many will not. These are the ones you must find and then offer to create one of them. Some businesses might have a MySpace page but not a Facebook, or vice versa. Some business might need you to pimp their MySpace page. You can charge anywhere from 50 to US dollar easily to set up your Facebook page, whether it's local or online or offline business. Plus, it should only take highest 1 hour, most likely 1 hour or 15 minutes to create a fantastic Facebook page, and this Facebook page will help them to sell their product. Number four, you can talk about this may involves a little bit more work, but not so much. Many businesses could benefit greatly for having Craigslist ads posted for them once a week or once a day even. Craigslist gets over 10 million visitors per day. This can obviously be a great selling point for this service. Once a business owner hears that and confirm it, they need to do, you will be able to charge them for the service with no problem. You can package together different options such as 5 Craigslist ads per week or 1 month of Craigslist advertisement. I think 10 per ad is fair for offline businesses, and they pay the yellow pages and other advertising companies much more money. If you do 5 a week for them, it's 550 US dollar per week, which comes into 200 US dollar per month from just one client. It should only take about 5 minutes to post a Craigslist ad for someone. So number 5, we can talk about, last but not least, we are going to discuss a method that makes some people a lot of money. I know a guy who manages PPC, pay per click advertising campaign for a big name security company, and he makes serious money. We are talking 5 figures per month. Of course, we are not going after just yet. However, there is a plenty of easy money be made to setting up a business PPC campaign. I am sure many of you who are reading this have already tried PPC advertising at one time or another. If you have not, all you have to do is set up a free account at googleadword.com and set up a starter campaign with a very small and affordable budget. I suggest somewhere around 5 to 10 per day by using free keyword tool located at http://adwords.google.keyword tool external. You can plug in your keywords that your client business wants to target, right? Like it can be Tuxedo rentals in Las Vegas. The keyword tool will bring up revealed related keyword phrases and how many times each keyword phrases gets searched for per month. It will also show you how much advertiser competition there is in each keyword. Of course, you will want to select the keywords that get a decent when you are in Google AdWords setting up a PPC account. They will also offer many keyword suggestions. When you will have lots of suggestions and you can maintain the manager PPC campaign unless you know what you are doing. However, what you can do is tell them what PPC advertising is all about and see if they are interested in giving it a shot. It's after all a way to get up to top of the Google for certain keywords really quickly. Advertising is the most important expense and any business and many experience. Most business owners are the more than willing to give PPC advertising a shot. The Yellow Pages charges $2,000 per year for their Google type listing. If your client wants to target local keywords, then this will much more affordable for them. To set up their PPC campaign, you can charge anywhere from $100 to $500 depending on how knowledge you are, how good you are at keyword research, what you feel comfortable charging. As long as you are willing for the work as X amount of money and your client will pay to X amount of money, the deal is fair and it is win-win situation for both parties. And you can also come up with a package like all 5 of the So the summary of my video is how you can make money online. Number 1 is article marketing, number 2 is blog creation, number 3 Facebook creation, number 4 Craigslist ad creation. So this was the methods of making money online, and then the last one was PPC ad. So thank you for watching my video.